Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I am gonna show you how to change your Gmail account phone number in your Gmail account. Phone number is very important for our Gmail account, because using this number we can recover our Gmail account easily. So let's start, how to change phone number in your Gmail account. First of all, go to Play Store, and then search by Gmail. And update app if available. After updating or if already updated, then open your Gmail app. Now you can see in here your profile icon, click on that profile icon. And add your Gmail account if not added. Or if Gmail already added, then make sure selected the correct Gmail that you want to change number. After following the steps, click on Google account option. Select profile info. Scroll down and find out phone number option, and click on it. Click on phone number again. Now click on phone number edit option. Click on continue. Now verify your phone lock. Now again click on phone number edit option. And then click on update number. Now delete your old phone number, and add your new phone number. After that click on next. Click on get code. And it will send a verification code number into that phone number. Collect the code and enter here. And then click on verify. And your phone number will be added. So this is how to change your phone number from your Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel.